Hey guys, it's Larry. Happy Friday. We made it through another week. So this is going to be another quick plan with me. This one is featuring Miss Wendy T of the Facebook group, The Darling Happy Planners. And she just does so much amazing work. Look at these graphics. So stinking cute. This is called Happy Campers. And this is the PDF file. I just printed it out. And then, as you know, I will take the PDF file and I will upload it into Cricut Design Space to make my stickers. And here's what my stickers look like. Cute. I add in my social media stuff. You guys know I like to add in my stuff. I made my weekend, but I messed it up, so I've got another sheet with a better weekend. And these are just adorable. Look at those animals. Camping Rebel. And if you turn it over, it's Camping Cutie. Got some flowers. I think that's a fox, little hedgehog, bunny, and a bear. Just sweet. Sweet as can be. And here's my fixed weekend, and I made some extras for other layouts. But I'm going to be doing this for the week of August 6th through the 12th. And if you are interested in watching this layout come together, then stick around, stay tuned. We're gonna get started. So again, happy Friday. Thanks for being here with me. If you are a subscriber, you know how my videos go pretty quick on my Plan With Me Fridays. If you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Ring that bell if you end up liking this video. I would super appreciate it. This artwork again is from Wendy T of the Facebook group The Darling Happy Planners. If you're interested in getting it for free, just join her Facebook group. There are tons and tons of free files. And I am going to be working in August 6th through the 12th, and we're just going to see how it comes together. Sometimes I use washi tape, sometimes I don't. There is some washi tape in here, these cute little strips, and we're just going to have some fun with it. So I like to grab a cocktail, pull up my chair, get my planner out, and just have some fun. And we are ready to go. Let's play some music, and let's have some fun, guys. Ready? guys, well this is it. That was pretty easy, huh? I think it came out super cute. I do have some leftover stickers. I've got 2 cute sayings here. Campin' Cutie, another bunny, and some more butterflies. But I think I'll use those during the week as it is a lot less white space than I usually try and do. But I think it'll be fine. So once I'm filling up the week with my actual appointments and things to do and whatnot, as I'm finding a room, I might add some more of these in towards the end of the week. But I just wanted to, you know, leave it not totally covered, but I think it turned out really cute. What do you guys think? If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and please make sure you're subscribed. I think it's adorable. Visit Wendy T in the Facebook group, the Darling Happy Planners. I think you do have to request membership, but she does such great work, you guys. It's absolutely adorable. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank you so much for being here with me. And stay tuned for the next video. Fridays I do plan with me's, and I like to sprinkle some other fun stuff throughout the week. So see you soon. Always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Bye guys.